Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, mushroom. Yeah. Alrighty. Need some of this. A few questions that was asked during my Instagram and my YouTube, so I'm just going to answer them via video. And the first question is, may you please do a video on how you got into fitness? I have that video up on YouTube if you haven't seen it already, but just to give you a brief introduction, my husband definitely has been a major motivation to me. At the time, he was my boyfriend. He was on his fitness journey and he introduced me to fitness. While I was out running with him, we were working out, doing calisthenics, and I leaned out, and from that moment on, we learned a lot. And we decided to share that with the world. So of course you see my husband and I, we're working together. So that's how I really got into fitness, and it's truly a passion of mine. So that's, to answer your question, that's how I got into it. What are some of your favorite healthy snacks? Some of my favorite healthy snacks? Good question. I love peanut butter sandwiches. I love the way my husband makes his peanut butter sandwiches. He adds honey, hemp seeds, cinnamon, and a few other amazing ingredients with sprouted grain bread. It has to be sprouted grain bread, not the regular bread. And some other healthy snacks, raisins, cashews, dates. I love dates. Goji berries are so good. Whole Foods sell this mix with like cacao and goji berries. That's so good. What else do I like? I like to mix a nutritional snack with dates, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and just with coconut flakes, unsweetened coconut flakes. Those are my favorite go-to healthy snacks. How can I maintain my body shape during pregnancy? Top priority is making sure that you're healthy and your baby is healthy. So the best advice I can give you, and what really worked for me, was making sure my nutrition was on point and to exercise, not overexerting. The goal is not to lose weight, it's just to maintain, just to be active. So what I used to do is I used to walk, or whenever I could, I would do some light weights or some jogging. My first and last trimester was very difficult for me to be very active. The most I can do during my first and last trimester was walk, but my second trimester I incorporated weight training, and of course my doctor cleared me for all this stuff. Now, if this is your first time exercising, talk to your doctor first and get your doctor's approval before you jump into any exercise routine. Not only does it benefit you, it also benefits the baby as well, just to be active and eat well. Most people have the misconception is when you're pregnant you want to binge and just eat a whole bunch of junk food. I know the cravings are out of this world, but be realistic. On a on a regular day, you're not going to consume all that stuff. So why are you feeding that? I mean, your baby is eating all that stuff, the junk. It's not getting much nutritional value from that. So making sure that you and your baby are healthy is key. Have your cravings during pregnancy? That's your body telling you that you're lacking some type of vitamins and minerals. And what you do is, what I did was I went online and I looked for foods. I used to crave a lot of Philly cheesesteaks. So I wanted to know, what was that? What am I lacking? Extra 200-300 calories is perfect. Not an extra 1,000 calories is not necessary. It's a little baby. I remember, like, at 1 month, the baby's the size of a lemon. A lemon doesn't need 1,000 extra calories. So this is how people gain that extra weight, and it's unnecessary. It's not healthy for you and the baby. Someone asks, thanks for the video. Can you talk about how you having a C-section has affected your workout routines, if it has? Actually, I haven't started working out. This is the first workout post C-section that I've done. I haven't started working out prior to that because of course your doctor has to approve you 6 weeks post. So I had to take it slow, and even though the outside has healed, the inside hasn't fully healed. Doing a lot of heavy training wouldn't be a wise thing to do. Did breastfeeding help with the loss of baby weight or just eating clean? Actually, both did, because I'm exclusively breastfeeding with Paige right now, and the beautiful thing about that is like after literally 2 weeks after a postpartum, my body changed dramatically. Of course, when you're breastfeeding, it shrinks the uterus, so that was a plus. Not only that, eating clean, eating whole, nutritional, dense meals, it's a lifestyle for me at this point. Where to start when you're at 245 pounds? Just start walking, and just start walking for 10 minutes a day, and every day add a minute. Do it, just stay consistent. Consistency is key. It's easy to stay consistent with walking. And another thing is when it comes to your meals, if you're used to consuming sugary drinks like soda and juice, if you have that 7 days a week, cut it down to 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Just take it a day at a time. Take baby steps. You don't have to run a marathon your first exercise routine, because that is not going to keep you interested in wanting to go work out the next day. Taking baby steps is going to give you the confidence to want to keep going back and slowly start to implement fruits and veggies, and that is definitely going to help in aiding you seeing the results that you're looking for. Do you juice regularly, and if so, what type of juicer do you use? I don't juice, I blend. Some people, it's a preference of yours whether you juice or blend. I like to blend because I feel like the pulp has nutrients in it, and it does have nutrients. So I don't like the fact that, the juicer just strips that nutrition away. Some people do value the juicer. It's just all a preference. Well, and that completes my Q&A. Thank you guys for staying in tune, and I'll see you next time. Take care.